Lifetime deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an amazing deal for API spreadsheets. Are you having trouble creating effective spreadsheet tools? Are you looking for a software that can help you to easily import, read, report, and analyze your business data? API Spreadsheets is a great option to consider. For only $69, get lifetime access. API Spreadsheets is a set of developer tools that allow you to integrate spreadsheet importing, reading, reporting, and other complicated features into your apps. API Spreadsheets makes it easier to connect files from customers, clients, and internal teams, putting all of your data in one location. Adjust the platform's settings in categories such column names, colors, and password protection, and imported files will be automatically configured to your preferences. You'll be able to generate a personalized URL and pre-written code that you can use in apps and websites right away. API Spreadsheets makes it simple for non-programmers to utilize API by allowing them to copy and paste pre-written code. Typing programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and PHP can be generated automatically. Create a custom report send schedule by selecting the times and days of the week when you want email reports to be sent. You can also customize the subject line, body copy, and recipient lists, and every email report will include an attachment with the related file. API Spreadsheets also integrates with common cloud storage systems, allowing you to save and upload data to Google Sheets, Dropbox, and your database. API Spreadsheets provides you with a set of easy-to-use tools and pre-written code to help you optimize your spreadsheet-based work and save time. Make your spreadsheets do the heavy lifting for you. Get API Spreadsheets lifetime deal for only $69. Save as much as $130 and get lifetime access. If you like what you hear about API Spreadsheet, check out more details and click the link in the description below. Take a look at current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that fits you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to get the latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.